Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to keep your flagged emails on top in Outlook. You can show your flag emails in top always. I'll show you how you can do this. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So you will see in my inbox, you can see I can keep watching my flag emails, and it will be shown in my top. How you can do this? So there is some method you can use. So first method I will show you. If you want to see only flags emails, so you can see it. So just go select the inbox and go to the home tab. Under the home tab, in the filter emails, just click on it and go to the flags. So if you using this method, then you can see only your flag emails in inbox. So now let me go again in flags inbox, and it will be show as a normal. Now if you want to make these changes, my means if you want to see your flag emails, if you want to keep your flag emails in top, then here you can see the small icon, flag icon. Just click on flag. So if you click first time, it will be show top, but I just click second time, so that show me down in bottom. So I need to click again here, so it will be show on top. Okay, so that is how you can keep top your flag email in top. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below.